Good evening, students. Myself, Dr. Ajay Bhatia from Institute of Economics and Management Studies. In this video, I am giving you 25 MCQ, very important for the competition paper in the Econometrics model. Students, please see the previous videos for your correct answers. Answer in your comment box. Question number 1. Which assumption ensure that OLS estimator is blue under Gauss-Markov theorem? Option A, homodicity. B, no autocorrelation. C, stationarity. And fourth, normality. Question number 2. In the classical linear regression model, the expected value of error term is option A, 1, option B, 0, option C, X, option D, Y. Students, answer your question in the comment box. In my next videos, I will give you the answer sheet with the explanation. Now, question number 3. R square always increase when option A, a new independent variable is added. Option B, adjusted R square increases. Option C, residual increases. Option D, the error variance increases. Now, our next question is question number 4. Which test is used to detect autocorrelation in residual? Option A, Bruce-Pagan test. Option B, Durbin-Watson test. C, Agumetit-Dickey-Fuller test. Option D, Jarkuya-Berra test. Student, write your answers in the comment box. Also see the previous videos for your answers to be correct. Now, next question is question number 5. The OLS estimator minimizes option A, absolute deviation. Option B, residual variance. Option C, sum of the square of residuals. Option D, R square. Now our next question is question number 6. If the residuals are heterodystatic, OLS estimator are option A, bias. Option B, consistent but not efficient. Option C, inconsistent. Option D, unbiased and efficient. Now our next question is question number 7. The adjusted R square is always option A, greater than R square, equal to R square. Option C, less than or equal to R square. Option D, unrelated to R square. Now our next question is question number 8. A time series is stationary when option A, means, variance and subvariance are constant over time. Option B, its trend is linear. Option C, it shows seasonal variation. Option D, spurious. Next question is question number 9. Spurious regression occurs when option A, data is homodestic. Option B, data is multiclonality time series. Option C, R square is regressing non-stationary time series. Option D, R square is low. Our next question, question number 10. ADF test is used to option A, test for multiclonality. Option B, test for autocorrelation. Option C, test for unit root. Option D, test for heterodicity. Now our next question is Question number 11. Gauss Markov theorem required A. Option normally distributed error. Option B. Homodicity. Option C. AR1 process. Option D. Non-stationarity. Student, write your answers in the comment box. In the next videos, I will explain you answer sheet with explanation. Now question number 12. Durbin-Watson statistic close to indicate option A. Positive autocorrelation. B. Negative autocorrelation. Option C. No autocorrelation. Option D. Perfect autocorrelation. Students, also see the previous videos, Econometrics series 1 to 16. Question number 13. In time series, a unit root implies option A. Stationarity. Option B. Non-stationarity. Option C. Trend stationarity. And option D. White noise. Now our next question is question number 14. A white noise process has option A. Non-zero mean. Option B. High autocorrelation. Option C. Zero autocorrelation and constant variance. Option D. Seasonality. Now our next question is question number 15. The log model is useful when the relationship is option A. Linear. Option B. Polynomial. Option C. Elastic. And option D is quadratic. Please like, subscribe and share for the coming videos. Now our next question is question number 16. Which test detect heterodicity? Option A. Durbin-Watson test. Option B. Brusque-Pagan test. Option C. ADF test. Option D. Augmented-Alum test. Now our next question is question number 17. R square equal to 0.90 means option A. 90% of variance in X is explained. Option B. 90% of variance in Y is explained. Option C. Error are 10%. Option D. Model is unbiased. Now question number 18. The Gauss-Markov theorem ensured option A. Minimum variance among all estimators. Option B. OLS is blue. Option C. OLS is consistent. Option D. Minimum R square. Now our next question is question number 19. When a variable and its lag are highly correlated, it is called option A. Serial correlation. Option B. Unit root. Option C. Autocorrelation. Option D. Persistence. Student, write your answers in the comment box. Now our next question is question number 20. The null hypothesis in ADF test is option A. Stationarity. Option B. No autocorrelation. Option C. Unit root exists. Option D. No heterodicity. Students, mostly these questions have come from the videos I have posted 1 to 15. Now our next question is question number 21. Multiclonarity affects option A, efficiency of estimators, option B, bias of estimators, option C, residuals or error term, option D, model specification. Now our next question is question number 22. If high R square but insignificant T statistics, what does it imply? Option A, model is good fit. B, multiclonarity. Option C, heterodicity. And option D, spurious regression. Now our next question is question number 23. Stationarity is important because option A, it affects OLS efficiency. Option B, non-stationary series may lead to misleading regression. Option C, variance cannot be computed. Option D, time series model collapse. Students, if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe. Now our next question is question number 24. In classical linear regression model, if E ui by xi is not equal to 0, OLS estimator are option A, unbiased, B, efficient, C, biased, D, asymmetrically normal. Now our next question is question number 25. And this is the last question of this video. Serial correlation is likely when omitted variable exists. Option A. Option B, model is overfitted. Option C, data is cross-sectional. And option D, log transformation is applied. So student, in our next videos, I will give you the answers key for this question, also its explanation. Please like, share and subscribe.